got a cricket knife for sharpening. You got a passive flex, right? Squeeze that in there tight, draw through. The honing steels are squeezing back so they follow your edge. Instead of taking metal off, you're tightening it up. As you get sharper, you bring the back of the knife up higher and higher. It don't take you long. You got well-made blades, which is shave you sharp real quick. I'll get you next. Finish this one up. I like to use leather when I'm done, or a piece of cardboard. That polishes it, and that'll take them in the arm shaving sharp. You can use these on fillet knives, hunt knives, outdoor garden tools. There you go. See that?
Wow, brother.
Now here's a hawk bill. Real hard to do. You can't do them on stone. It's not easy anyway. Put them on the edge of the counter, squeeze through, draw through. To get the feel of my tool, you can sharpen anything anyone hands you. That won't make it hard. I offer lifetime guarantees. I do put my name and website on the handle. And I got a lot of videos too online. I do them 20 bucks each here, 3 of them for 50. Alright? Yep. I do serrate too, you make sure I show you. Yeah. Alright, feel these teeth here. Like I sharpen them. Steak knives, bread knives, electric knives, do them all. Rope. Serrates go in the middle. No metal comes off, feel the bite on the teeth.
Oh, wow.
You get some darn good, don't it? And then on the smooth edge, you come off the front. Them pins will squeeze back so they follow your edge. You're not tearing metal out of the blade, you're honing. I marked these down in the show, 20 bucks a piece here today. Get here. Oh.
Would you do 10?
Pen's on the wrong side for me now.
Would you do 10 for this?
See that? Oh yeah. There you go, buddy. And then another Kershaw knife. Hoping to had the scallops. It's all right.
Hey, Michelle, I need my wallet.
100%. 100%.
Oh, it's not even that hot.
See how fast it goes.
It's quick and simple, guys. Just put the pressure on them and you got it.
Okay, hey, do you take debit too?
Yep, I can do debit.
Okay, I'll do debit.
Here's your knife. 20 bucks on. Pick any color you like.
Looking for black.
Yeah, once you see
Black
them
and blue is
feel how
about the
good
closest I might get black.
it's hard to say no
Look
on
at this
these.
one right here. That's all.
Hottest selling sharpener in town.
I think I'm going to do the go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
welcome.
Hey, man. This is awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, appreciate it, man.
That knife's never been sharpened in its life.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Again, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.
Yep, that's definitely noticeable.